This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept float array, from index, to index and the float value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array. It has 4 float values. Then I am displaying the float array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing float array and from index is 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to index is 3, which is this position. To index is exclusive, and passing filled value as 8.2. So what this fill method will do is it fill the float array content with 8.2 in this range. After fill method is called, I am displaying the float array content, and here you can see these range values are filled with 8.2. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.